Every time I get paid, I follow the same simple system. Not because it's complicated, actually because it's not. Most people don't struggle with money because they don't earn enough. They struggle because they don't know where their money should go first. And in 2026, that's more important than ever. Prices are higher, housing is expensive, and relying on one paycheck feels riskier than it used to. So here's exactly how I would manage my money if I were starting today. First, cover your minimum debt payments, credit cards, student loans, car loans, anything that requires a monthly payment. This isn't the exciting step, but it's the foundation. Missing payments damages your credit score, and bad credit can make life much harder later. So before doing anything else, make sure every minimum payment is covered. Next, automate everything. This might be the most powerful financial habit you'll ever build, because once money moves automatically, you stop relying on motivation. You stop relying on memory. The system does the work for you. Savings happen automatically. Investments happen automatically. And your future gets funded without constant effort. After that, focus on your monthly living expenses: rent, food, utilities, transportation, insurance. Know exactly how much it costs to run your life every month. Most people guess. Don't guess. Know the number. When you know your monthly expenses, you gain control, and control reduces stress. Once your essentials are covered, build an emergency fund. Life always surprises people. A car breaks down. A job disappears. A medical bill shows up. Something always happens. That's why having cash available matters. A good target is 4 to 6 months of living expenses. You don't need to build it overnight. Start small, then grow it over time. The goal is simple. Give yourself breathing room when life gets messy. After that, it's time to invest. And the first place I would look is any retirement plan offered through work, especially if your employer matches contributions, because that's basically free money. If they match part of what you invest, take advantage of it. Very few opportunities in life give you an instant return. This is one of them. The biggest mistake people make is waiting. They think they'll invest later, when they earn more, when life settles down, when they feel ready. But time is your biggest advantage. Even small amounts invested consistently can become surprisingly large over the years. Next comes high-interest debt. This is the debt that quietly destroys wealth. Credit cards are usually the biggest problem. If you're paying 20% or more in interest, that debt is growing faster than most investments, so attack it aggressively. Every dollar used to eliminate expensive debt is giving you a guaranteed return. And guaranteed returns are hard to find. Now let's talk about investing beyond retirement accounts. Once you've built your foundation, you can expand. Index funds, ETFs, long-term investing. Simple beats complicated. Most wealthy investors don't win because they find secret stocks. They win because they stay invested for decades. Consistency beats excitement. And finally, build multiple income streams. Now let's talk about debt. A lot of people ask, should I invest first or should I pay off debt first? The answer depends on the interest rate. If your debt has a very high interest rate, focus on killing that debt. Credit card debt is the biggest example. A credit card charging 20% or 25% interest can destroy your finances. Every month you wait, the balance grows, and that growth works against you. One popular strategy is called the avalanche method. You focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first. Mathematically, this saves the most money. Another strategy is the snowball method. You start with the smallest balance first. This gives quick wins. And for many people, those small victories help them stay motivated. Neither method is wrong. The best one is the one you'll actually follow. because a perfect plan is useless if you quit after 2 weeks.